You can install twig wood walls in just a few simple steps. You don't need to be a handyman. Designed by a carpenter to help you save time and make your dream space a reality. Other products require specialized tools and can be time-consuming to install yourself. Our product is easy and simple to install. Made from high-quality reclaimed wood, the texture is unique and rich. Here are the tools you will need to install your twig wood wall. Measuring tape, utility knife, fasteners like velcro, nails, screws, or adhesive. Twig walls come without adhesive backing to allow multiple forms of installation. You can install twig wood walls in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Open the box and lay out your twig wall. Step 2. Make the necessary cuts. Step 3. Measure, cut, and place the velcro on the wall. Step 4. Place velcro on the back of twig wood wall panel. Step 5. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, easily attach the twig wood wall panels. Transform your space with beautiful, environmentally friendly, reclaimed wood.